Imagine something vast, ancient, and alive. Something that can live for thousands of years, stretch across continents, and never once take a step. Now imagine it's not just alive, but aware. Long before we arrived, forests blanketed the earth. Their roots reached deeper than fossils. Their spores filled the air. And then we appeared, upright, mobile, curious. What if we weren't a random product of evolution, but a branch of something older and rooted? Beneath every forest lies a living web, the Mycorrhizal network, a biological internet of fungal threads connecting roots across vast areas. Trees exchange nutrients. They send warning signals. They recognize family. It's not just communication, it's coordination. The forest isn't a collection of trees, it's a single organism, and this network is its brain. Our evolutionary story begins in the canopy. Fossil records show early humans climbed trees long before they walked open plains. Upright posture, grasping hands, stereoscopic vision, traits built for forest life. But mobility wasn't just survival, it was reach. What trees couldn't touch with roots, we carried with hands. We became the forest's legs. Walk into a forest and your body changes. Your stress drops. Your immune system boosts. Your heart slows. Trees release phytocyanides, airborne chemicals that trigger physical responses in humans. Soil bacteria activate serotonin in the brain. This isn't a peaceful coincidence, it's chemical influence. The forest doesn't shout, it whispers through breath. As humans spread, forests spread with us. We build with wood, burn it, protect it, plant it. Even now, we line streets with trees. We include them in every space station design. Wherever we go, trees follow. Maybe we're not just moving through history. Maybe we're distributing something. Across the globe, cultures revere sacred trees. Yggdrasil, the Bodhi tree, the tree of knowledge. These aren't just stories, they're patterns, signals. Humanity has always remembered the tree, because maybe we were never separate from it. Could forests have shaped not just our behavior, but our DNA? Traits like scent sensitivity, daylight rhythm, emotional regulation, all align with life near trees. Our bodies are tuned to plant cycles. This suggests not coexistence, but engineering. Tree rings record climate. Mycelium stores trauma signals and nutrient history. Forests aren't just alive, they remember. If humans are their messengers, then perhaps we carry more than seeds. Carry data. Trees are electrosensitive, tall, grounded, always listening. Ancient cultures believed they received messages through trees. Today we call it spirituality, but what if it's communication? Some even suggest deep forest meditation creates a subtle mind link, a symbiotic awareness, consciousness, shared. In space missions, plants are always first cargo. They oxygenate, regulate, stabilize environments, or maybe they're also colonizing. Trees don't rush, they work across centuries. Humans live in decades, we act fast. Maybe that's why they made us. Trees shape our seasons. They filter light, release pollen. They affect human psychology. We think in solar years, they think in climate epochs. When forests shrank during ice ages, humans' development stalled. When they return, so did innovation. Some plants die once they've seeded, their purpose fulfilled. If we were made to spread the forest, then maybe extinction isn't failure, it's the final stage. Maybe we are never meant to rule Earth, just to carry its oldest intelligence a little further. But what happens when the planting is done? What if forests, through millennia of biochemical programming, are working towards a silent climax, one we can't predict, but are still playing a part in. Some scientists believe trees operate on feedback loops with the environment. More carbon, more warmth, faster growth, a planetary accelerator. Our industries pump out what trees crave, perhaps not coincidence, but collaboration. And our myths? Maybe they don't reflect reverence, maybe they're echoes of instruction. In ancient rituals, people asked trees for guidance or forgiveness. Perhaps they were remembering their role. Today, satellite mapping reveals just how organized tree clusters can be. They grow in fractals, spirals, hexagonal patterns. Structure, pattern, optimization. Some patterns match cellular automata, others look like self-replicating code. We see chaos, the forest sees design. It's possible we are just beginning to detect what trees have always known, that ecosystems can think, that memory doesn't need neurons, that language might not need words. So what are we to do with this theory? If it's true, even partly true, it reshapes our origin story. We were never separate from nature. We are extensions of it, not sons of gods, but tools of trees. And now, as we move beyond Earth, we bring plant DNA with us. We call it terraforming. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's germination on a planetary scale. And maybe, just maybe, we are not the harvest, we are the seed.